So in this video, we are going to cover the most common asked questions online, which is how much money do I need to get started with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to cover exactly this. How much do you need as a budget-wise to get started with affiliate marketing? Do you need $50? Do you need $2,000? Or do you need only $500? So let's go straight into it. So how much money do you need? The first thing we have to focus on is the offer. So what is the offer? The offer is the product that you are promoting. For example, let's have a look here. Let's say that we are on ClickBank, right? clickbank.com, and depend on the niche you are in, make money online, weight loss, relationship repair and stuff like that, right? Many different niches, sub niches there are. So depend on the niche that you are in and the commission based income that you are generating with ClickBank. It depends how much money you're going to spend. For example, if you have the offer that it's paying out $100 commissions, for you to make, let's say, $1,000, you need 10 sales to make $1,000. So you would need time 10 sales to make, how much we said, to make $1,000 in commissions or profit, right? So you need 10 sales. Now this is your offer, right? And then there could be also upsells. Now what are upsells? Upsells are the sales above the main product. So back end, right? Front end, let's say $100 product, and back end could be a $500 or $1,000 product, right? So all depends what offer you're promoting. Another thing you have to take in consideration, what do you need? You need digital real estate. What is digital real estate, right? This is a website, a landing page, right? So for that you need a domain name. Now domain name usually is very cheap. So it costs, let's say, $12 for 12 months. You can get it on namecheap.com or any other platform. So I would suggest you to choose namecheap.com. So here you can get your domain name, your digital real estate. So $12 for 1 year. Another thing is hosting. Now I would suggest you to use HostGator, which works really well. They have an amazing and great support team, and when you have trouble they will always answer any questions. Now if you want to have a discount link and help with setting up this website, below this video is going to be a discount link for hosting from HostGator, so you can click on the link below and use that link that I will provide for you to get a higher discount. And if you need any help with setting up your own website, you can as well let me know. Now you can use ClickFunnels, you can use GroupFunnels, or you can use WordPress. ClickFunnels is really expensive, especially for the newbies, and truth be told, you don't need expensive magic softwares to create professional design website. You can use something very cheap and effective as WordPress. So basically this would cost you $12 is domain name, and then after that you would pay let's say $10 or $9 per month for hosting, and then at the end, of course, you would also get the WordPress for free. So basically you're paying around $20 to get your first digital real estate up and running. So if you buy ClickFunnels, of course it's going to cost you $300, $200, or even $500, right? Or even $1,000, depend on what package you choose. But as we said, you can use WordPress, or you can use also, like we say, just purchase domain name and hosting to get the free access to WordPress. So the link is below this video, you can use it. Now another and the last thing is traffic. How much the traffic is going to cost you, where to purchase great quality traffic or visitors, right? Traffic is nothing else than visitors to your site, right? To site. So you can get free or paid traffic. What is free traffic? SEO, right? Free is SEO, writing blogs, right, and stuff like that. It takes time, and of course it costs time. So the paid option is way more better. Why? Because it saves you time, and it can generate a lot more profit for you quicker. So you have Facebook ads, you have YouTube ads, you have Google ads. So how much would you budget for traffic, for ads? Now I would suggest you per campaign minimum $25, $20 to $25 per ad campaign. If you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads, at least $25, budget $25 per campaign daily, right? So with that said, if you make, let's say, if you spend 25, and if you have the right details, your right targeting details, like I'm giving to other people, right? I'm giving them exact targeting details that they can use. So of course they are not wasting money on split testing headlines or different audiences, right? Because they're already getting done for them site and also targeting details that are already proven to work and tested to work, right? In different niches. So I would suggest you to start with at least 20 to 25 US dollars per ad campaign. This way you can make sure that you can get more results, and of course to make it more profitable for you. So if you're watching this video, please, before you go out, subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can connect with me and also get like we said, done for you campaigns. So what I mean by that, done for you campaigns are the ad campaigns, the affiliate, basically done for you system, where you get, and I'll show exactly over here. Let me add new slide. So you're getting done for you website. You're also getting landing page, and you're getting also links built in and one-on-one support. Also you're getting targeting details and ad copies. So this is really important to have compliant digital real estate, like the website, right? And of course to get all the targeting details narrowed down so that you don't waste money and time on split testing different audiences, right, that are not working or not performing well. So with that said, thank you for watching this video, and for any more questions, the links where we can connect are below this video. So reach out to me if you have any more questions.